Just place one of these in your bathroom, your living room, or your food pantry. And you're gonna thank me. This is incredible. That's right, everyone. Let's start with a bar of soap and with the help of a grater. We're gonna grate it finely, and you can use the cheapest one you can find for this. After that, we're gonna need some ground coffee. Let's add just 2 tablespoons. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of fabric softener. And just like the soap, you can use the cheapest one you can find. And to finish, we're also going to need some vinegar, but it should be white or alcohol vinegar. Okay, folks, let's add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar here. Now mix it all together very well. Pay close attention now, folks, because this tip is very cool and will definitely help you at home. After mixing well, let's do the following. Take a piece of aluminum foil and then go ahead and put some of our mixture on it. About 2 tablespoons. Once you've done that, you're going to wrap it up, making it into a little ball, okay? And you can do this with all the mixture. After making the little balls, now take a toothpick and poke several holes on it. Go ahead and poke several holes on each ball. After that, it will be ready. But what did we just make here? This is a wonderful homemade repellent for insects. That's right. So you take these little balls and put them in strategic places around the house. This will keep away all kinds of ants, roaches, flies, and mosquitoes. It's really fantastic. For example, you can put them in the cupboard where you store your food, because this will keep away all kinds of insects, especially those tiny ants and roaches. You can also put them in the trash can in your bathroom. Put the ball in and then the bag on top. This will not only eliminate bad odors, but also keep away those bathroom flies. All right, it's really cool. Another great place to put them is in your larger drawer. I had a lot of trouble with moths here at home, and this trick solved my problem. Just leave them there, and besides keeping away all the moths, it will also leave your clothes smelling great because of the fabric softener. So that's it, everyone. Don't forget to try this tip at home. I'm sure you're going to love the results.